Okay, let's discuss out the next topic, which is the Bombay blood group. The Bombay blood group. Before I move into Bombay blood group, let me recapitulate about the blood group system, especially the ABO blood group system, which we have already discussed in the class. The ABO blood group system is represented by chromosome number 9. Chromosome number 9 is determining the blood group system, and the genes encode for a protein which is known as H substance. This H substance is nothing but, you can also say, the H antigen. This is a biochemical molecule or a chain of 4 agents which you need not know, but you need to remember that H antigen is present on the surface of the RBC, and it is made up of protein subunits. It is made up of protein subunits. Now, on this H antigen, the presence of a chemical, say it O, will make it A antigen, and another chemical present on it make it the B antigen. So H antigen is present on the surface of all the RBCs, and the H antigen, if only H antigen is present, the blood group is known as O. If the H antigen has a particular enzyme on its surface that is determined by the type of blood group a person is having, will make it A antigen, and another agent on the surface of RBC will make it B antigen, and presence of both will make the person to be AB antigenic. And this is the way how we determine the blood group. These portions have already been discussed in your theory classes, so I'm not going into details of these topics. I'm just recapitulating that how the blood group is determined. Now, if in some person, in rare people, even this H antigen is also absent, that means their RBC surface consists of nothing. Those people are known as O blood group, or they are also known as Bombay blood group. That means in these people, even the H antigen is absent. So their allele codes for small h antigen, which is a recessive antigen and does not form any antigen. This is the counterpart of the capital H antigen that was forming O blood group. Now its recessive counterpart is small h antigen that is displayed by this Bombay blood group people, and they don't even possess the H antigen on the surface of the RBCs. So their RBCs will have no antigen in fact, but we say it to be H H phenotypically and genotypically, because there is no dominance of capital H, so small h will be represented. So these people will have the following properties. Number one, they will have antibodies in their circulation. Which antibodies? Since A group is absent, they will have antibody A. Since B group is absent, they will have antibodies B. Since O is absent, they will also have anti-H antibodies in the circulation. So what is the problem with these antibodies? The problem is, now these people have even the antibodies to the O positive sera, and hence even the patient who is O positive or O negative, it doesn't matter, negative and positive is related to Rho, but even if the person is blood group O, he has H antigen on the surface, and if I give this blood to the Bombay blood group patient, they have anti-H antibodies in their circulation, in their blood, and they will also reject the O blood group. Hence, to these people, you cannot transfuse A blood group, B blood group, as well as O blood group. None of the blood can be given to these patients. So what do they need? These people can only receive blood from the Bombay blood group. And I already told you it is very rare. It is seen in 1 in 20,000 people. It's very rare. Still now, only 2,000 people whole over the world have been identified. So you can understand that it's so difficult for these people to arrange for blood. थोड़ा सा history. It was discovered by Dr. Y.M. Bhende or Bhinde in 1952 in Bombay, and that is why people call it to be Bombay blood group. Okay, so this is a rare blood group type which does not have any antigen on the RBC surface, hence they have the genotype which is H by H, that is small h by H, because capital H is represented by blood group O. They cannot be given the blood from even the O positive people, whom we call as the universal donor. Hence the universal donor can also not give the blood to this Bombay blood group positive people. They can only receive the blood from the Bombay blood group people only, and it is very difficult to find them in society, because yet now only 2,000 people have been isolated. And Dr. Y.M. Bhende in 1952 in Bombay was the first to identify this blood group. Okay, so that is why this becomes a question for you in the MCQs, because it's a rare blood group. ठीक है, read this, write this, add to your notes. This will help you to answer few question of chipmunk. चलो टाटा.